Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable your camera in Google Chrome so websites can access it when needed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can control everything from your browsing experience to privacy features. The settings page is your central hub for customizing how Chrome operates. Now that you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several categories listed. Find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it controls all the permissions and security features in Chrome, including which websites can access your hardware like cameras and microphones. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find an option called Site Settings and click on it. This area manages the specific permissions that websites can request from you, such as location access, notifications, and importantly for our purpose today, camera access. It gives you granular control over what each website is allowed to do. In the Site Settings menu, you'll see a list of different permissions. Scroll through this list until you find Camera and click on it. This opens up all the camera-related settings for Chrome, where you can manage which camera device to use and control which sites are allowed to request camera access. Once you're in the camera settings, you'll first see a drop-down menu at the top. Click on this drop-down to see all available camera devices connected to your computer. This might include your built-in webcam, external USB cameras, or virtual camera software. Select the camera device you want Chrome to use by clicking on it from the list. After selecting your camera device, look for a radio button option that says Sites can ask to use your camera. Click on this radio button to enable it. This setting allows websites to request permission to use your camera, though they'll still need to ask for your approval each time, giving you control over when your camera is accessed. And that's it! You've successfully enabled camera access in Google Chrome and selected your preferred camera device. Websites will now be able to request camera permissions when needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.